wish I had asked this question to somebody right when I entered a medical college, that what is the most important thing to survive in MBBS? After being at this place for more than 2 years now, I can definitely say that no, it's not your excellent grades or how good you look or how big of a friend circle you have. The only thing that will get you through is your mental peace and nothing else. So welcome to this series of finding peace in the chaos, courtesy MBBS. So अभी टाइम हो रहा है सुबह के 8 बजे and we're going to attend our morning lectures from 8 to 10. The first lecture is of microbiology, in which we study the various causes of bacterial meningitis, and the second lecture is of pathology, in which we studied about various types of testicular tumors.
है कि हम तीनों अलग से अपना YouTube चैनल खोलेंगे, कंपटीशन कम टॉप कंपटीशन.
So after the lectures were over, हमें जाना था OPD to attend our clinical postings. Currently हमारी posting चल रही है obs and gynae department में. आज if हमारा लक अच्छा हुआ तो we might get to see the delivery of a baby through lower segment cesarean section surgery. We went to the changing room and got our OT scrubs. Am I crazy to think that we need better OT scrubs? Like, look at that. And that is it. I cannot take you inside the operation theatre as it is not permitted to maintain the privacy of the patient and of course the sterility of the OT.
अकेले काम करवा रही हूँ मैं. शाबाश.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है. तू ले.
So after the classes got over, we are going to do something crazy. We are going to get a pet in the hostel. Getting a pet of my own was my बचपन का सपना, but being from a middle class family, मेरे लिए this was so impossible. एक तो घर में जगह नहीं थी इतनी और दूसरा इनकी मेंटेनेंस के लिए पैसे भी लगते हैं, तो वो भी एक इश्यू था. I used to take care of all the street dogs and my first ever, pet sort of street dog was उसका नाम ट्रिगू था and I love him, but now I feel so much more responsible because I'm gonna take care of these fishes. So I also got them these aquariums so that they can, have their own home and with the oxygen pump and everything. And now it's time to sterilize this water. So basically these medicines helps the fish to stay free from all the parasites which are in the water. And this is how they look and I'm so excited to live with them. And now it's time to go to the library because obviously nerd duties first. हर कोई MBBS में यही बोलते रहता है that read standard books, which is absolutely correct, but कोई ये नहीं बताते कि how to remember those huge books. So I have realized that it's very important to make your own notes, so that you have the summary of all the important things, whether it is from the book or any lecture that you're watching. So basically you have to create your own resources. When I was a NEET aspirant, I wish I had a mentor to tell me about these things, but you don't have to worry about that because through me you can get direct one-on-one personalized mentorship from students of AIIMS and other medical colleges, that too at a very affordable price. Just directly log on to meesex.in and book your session with your favorite mentor. To get more information, join this Telegram channel. Today I'm going to show you the healthiest and the quickest dinner recipe.
You're so irreplaceable.
Chalo, let me give you a unpaid therapist advice. Do at least one thing throughout the day that actually makes you happy.
But I'm just waiting on you to.
And for me, that one thing is cooking.
And I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and stay
I sat down to read this book called Cersei. Like, I'm reading this book for over a month now. I don't know if I'm a very slow reader or what. It is about a Greek goddess called Cersei. I love reading these fictional mythologies these days. And yeah, that is it for my day. I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care.
So much time living on cloud nine.